Welcome to the University of New Hampshire, one of the top 50 public universities in the nation. We're so glad you're able to join us for our fall open house. I'm Chesa Blaya, and I'm here to make sure you have all the information you need for this exciting event. Open house starts at 9:30 a.m. at the Whittemore Center Arena, or as Wildcats say, the WIT. Plan to arrive at least 45 minutes early to allow time for parking and shuttling. As you might imagine, traffic can be heavy on open house day, so give yourselves plenty of extra time. Please visit the website and check your confirmation emails for the most up-to-date parking information. Once on campus, look for signs and police officers directing traffic. Open house gives you a taste of what Wildcats experience every day: enlightening academics, world-class facilities, award-winning dining, supportive communities, and other awesome Wildcats. The program starts with a brief intro. After that, various sessions will be offered throughout the day. Choose whichever sessions pique your interest. Note that sessions are happening at various times throughout the day. Plan your time accordingly. Here's a tip. Choose your academic sessions first, then build the rest of your day around that. Sessions later in the day tend to be less crowded. Don't feel the need to rush to the first academic session. Feeling adventurous? Jump on the Wildcat Trail, our self-guided campus tour. Follow the paw prints to any of 8 stops where current UNH students will give you the inside scoop and stamp your passport. Reference the booklet for stop locations. You can find some of these stops outside under the bright orange tents. Start or stop the tour at any time, say to stop and pat the cat. Can you smell the stir-fry sizzling? UNH is home to 3 award-winning dining halls, and at open house, you'll have lunch in one of them. Look for your assigned dining hall on the program cover. Purchase lunch tickets at the WIT or at your assigned hall. Every future Wildcat wants to know more about where they'll live when they get here. Some of our most popular residence halls will open their doors during open house. Locate them on your map in your program. There's a lot to take in during open house, but the Wildcat community will help you every step of the way. Find open house staff by their orange lanyards or ask questions at any of our 5 information booths around campus. You'll also find a ton of information on the Event Mobi app. A mobile version of the agenda is free for download and will help you plan your visit. Our open house ends at 3 p.m. and a Wildcat shuttle will take you back to your car. Phew, that was a lot of information, wasn't it, Waldy? But don't worry, the most important thing to do at open house is relax, have fun, and enjoy your time in Wildcat country. We'll see you soon.